It was around 2:30 a.m. in the quiet city of Abbottabad, Pakistan. The night was still, heavy, and silent. The only sounds were the faint barking of dogs and the soft rustle of the wind. No one in the city had any idea that, above the mountains, history was about to change forever. Thousands of miles away, on a secret U.S. base in Afghanistan, a small team of elite Navy SEALs stood ready. They weren't just preparing for another mission. They were about to hunt the most wanted man in the world, Osama bin Laden. Inside a dimly lit hangar, the air was thick with tension. One SEAL tightened the strap on his helmet. Another double-checked his rifle. The team leader took a deep breath and said quietly, "Tonight, we finish this." Two stealth Black Hawk helicopters lifted off into the dark sky. No lights, no radio chatter, just the steady, deep hum of engines disappearing into the night. The pilots knew, if Pakistani radar picked them up, they could be shot down instantly. As they crossed into Abbottabad, the wind grew rough. Inside one of the choppers, an alarm blinked red. "Stabilizers losing control, sir." "Hold it steady," the pilot yelled. For a few terrifying seconds, the aircraft shuddered violently, and then crashed right into the compound wall. Dust exploded into the air, debris flying everywhere. Inside the compound, still no alarm, no guards charging. Just stunned silence. The SEAL team leader made the call. "No time to waste. Move." They breached the compound using silent cutters instead of explosives to avoid alerting anyone. Room by room, they moved like shadows. Every corner could hide a gunman. Every second mattered. On the first floor, 2 men down. Second floor, women and children screaming. Then came the third floor, a locked door. Behind it, faint footsteps. A man's voice. The team leader raised his hand. Everyone froze. "Remember," he whispered, "this is it." Boom! The door burst open. A flash of light, 2 sharp gunshots, and then silence. The world's most wanted man lay on the floor. Mission complete. Within minutes, DNA samples were taken, hard drives collected, and sensitive material secured. Before leaving, the SEALs destroyed the crashed helicopter with explosives. No one could know what kind of technology the U.S. had used. Back in Washington, inside the White House Situation Room, President Obama and his team watched the mission unfold in real time. Then, a voice came through the radio. "Geronimo EKIA. Enemy killed in action." For a moment, no one spoke. Then, quiet relief. The mission had succeeded. Hours later, President Obama appeared on national television and said the words millions had been waiting to hear for nearly a decade. The United States of America. States has conducted an operation that killed Osama bin Laden across America. Crowds flooded the streets. Flags waved, people cried, hugged, and cheered. For some, it was justice. For others, closure. But for everyone, it was history. That night, the world stood still. And somewhere in the shadows, the quiet courage of those who went into the darkness reminded us that bravery isn't always loud. Sometimes it's silent and unstoppable.